believe this is home for the night. Lovely. Let's get set up. So, for tonight's shelter, we're going to create a little tarp tent. It's basically going to be like a teepee sort of style thing, with a walking pole as the main backbone of the structure. Yeah, probably it's my first time staying in a tarp like that, or a shelter like that. So we're in for a treat. Going to use a bit of cloth there to put on the top of the support, push it up so it doesn't cause any damage to the top. Now for the fun bit, climbing in and making your house. Get in there. So this is your basic tarp shelter, little tent, walking pole in the middle. Come inside, a little bit of padding up there to stop it getting damaged. There's quite a lot of room here for, that's where I'm going to sleep tonight. We're going to have a fire here probably, and I use this tie-out point here. Probably pull it back to the tree over there, and that will pull out the weight of this part and hopefully give me a little bit more room inside. Yeah, she's looking good. Let's get set up. Now I have brought a second tarp, which I'm going to use for inside because it's a bit wet. Stay warm tonight just by pumping this up and down. Won't get cold then. washing machine. For a bit of din-din, gonna cook up some sausages. Fire's pretty much ready, so let's get cooking. Cheesy rolls, sausages, bosh, with a bit of barbecue dark beer sauce. Delightful. Banging. It's really nice woodland, this. Filled up that way and a field over there. Nice and secluded. Peaceful. Temperature is starting to drop now. Temperature is starting to drop now, so probably get on a few more layers and wrap up. Tonight it's going to get pretty goddamn cold. 2 degrees. I think there's a frost coming as well. Ooh, she be boiling. Ugh. Time for a coffee. Ah, fantastic. Cheers. So I've had to modify my tent. Well, I didn't have to, but I saw that there was heavy rain coming tonight, so this is what we've done. Rigged up a very sketchy other tarp to give myself a bit of a porch tonight. Now, the time is 5:45 PM. And obviously in the UK, in the winter, it's dark at 4 PM, so we've still got quite a few hours before I'll even be tired, but I'm just going to sit around the fire and maybe go for a little bit of a walk later on, see if I can get some good night photos, a bit of night photography or something. Whew. It's about 8:20. I'm going to try to get some sleep soon. Get into bed. Fire's going outside. Just chucked on my last few logs onto the fire. I collected a stash of bigger sticks and stuff for the night. I don't think I will wake up, but if I do, I'll go outside and chuck them on the fire. It's meant to rain quite heavily though, so I'm not sure if there'll be much of a fire left, but yeah. So we're going to hit the hay and see you in the morning. Peace. Good morning. Time is 7 AM. I had a relatively okay sleep. I was pretty warm, but I'm quite a violent sleeper, so I kept waking up and I was off my sleeping mat, and my sleeping mat moved all around the shelter, but I've woken up. I've used the ashes left in the drum there and collected a load of firewood and got a fire going again, because it's a little bit nippy this morning, but seems to be relatively dry considering it rained a lot. Yeah, I'll probably get a coffee on soon. Porridge. Lovely. Pretty sweet. Nice. Starting to pack down. Got my one tarp drying there, my other tarp drying just there. It's quite a nice breeze coming in, so I should dry it nicely. Yeah, I'm gonna pack up my bits and get out of here. But it's been a good night. The tarp shelter was a success, so I think I'll be using that next week, where we're going to Snowdon, Wales. Probably. Hopefully we can adapt it a little bit better so it's less wet on the inside from where the two tarps were touching each other. It created a bit of a damp barrier, but yeah, we will catch you in the next one. Thanks.